dressed in gold leaf, hide the damages, spot the geisha as she balances. Life's a cakewalk full of challenges.
Hi guys.
All the people living in the world today, we're united by our love, we're united by our pain. All the things that I've done and I've seen, still I don't know what it means. I wanna feel human again, to be human.
Hello guys, I am Suraj. Then today I'll discuss about how to create a program for Python programming. Okay, then how to create a program for Python programming. Then click on Python ideally. Okay. I have to create a program for tkinter by tkinter to add two numbers. Okay. Then is here the back is the Python console. Okay, delete it. Okay, then then first from import from, that is the tool. tkinter is the tool module. Okay, tkinter import, for importing program we will write import, then start. Okay, then define a method for adding two numbers. Okay, adding two numbers, it is a type of method. Means in Java it is void main is the type of method. In this the add numbers, it is a type of method to add two numbers. Okay, not a function, it is a method. How to create add numbers, subtract numbers. Okay, then create a method for adding two numbers. Int, it is the input integer data type. Okay, here the base is 10. Okay, then e1, okay, a1 dot get means input. In Java get text, in Python only simply get, to input a variable on text field. Okay, then plus int the type for second variable, a2 dot get. Okay, then to show the result, the text, let's take a variable to show, sss. Okay, dot set means to show the variable, show the result. Okay, then create a root for the window. Okay, then create a root for the window. Here the root is root equal to t k. Okay, then and to main loop to run it, F5. Okay, save the file name is addition. Okay, some error here. Okay, here the window is created. Back, then take ss is an integer variable. Then, oh sorry, semicolon, miss it. Then take a label to show the first number. Root, then text to be shown on window. Here the text is first number. Okay, to show the label we can use grid function. Okay, a row equal to 0, column. In computer the value will be started from 0. Daily life it will be started from 1. Okay, 0. Okay, then 3. इंडिया वाले हैं, जुगाड़ करते हैं, इस बात कॉपी कर लेते हैं उसको. One for first variable, one for second variable, one for result. Okay, second, result. Okay, then here row is 1, here row is 2. Okay, then run it. Okay, here is the first row, first column, first row, first column, first row, first column. Okay, started from 0. Okay, then created text field to input the numbers. Okay, here A1, then entry. Okay, in Java it is J text field, J applied programming, then here entry. Okay, entry, root. Okay, then text variable. Okay, text variable equal to, here the text variable store in SSS. SS is store the method of addition. Okay, then to show the text field use grid function. Okay, row equal to 2. Here it is the result text field. Okay, row will be 2 and column equal to 2. Then simply F5 for run. Okay, here the text field, here result. Then for A1 equal to entry, root. Okay, then A2 equal to entry, root. Okay, A1 dot grid to show the text field. Sorry, A1 dot grid hash number row equal to 0, then column equal to 2. Okay, and simply print it, paste sorry, okay, then print here column row equal to 1 for second number, here the value will be 2, then run it. Okay, here you can input. Okay, then to add the numbers create a button, sort वाला button नहीं, program वाला button. Okay, then create a variable for button button button, then root or then not okay, then text to show the on button, to show on the button is plus symbol. Okay, plus symbol, then command. What is the method the button will be used? The button, the method use add numbers, okay, here the add numbers is a method, the add numbers to be stored in the command. Okay, here the command function will be stored in the button. Okay, then to show the button we use the function grid, b.grid, but row equal to 4 and column equal to 2. Okay, then run it. Okay, then 12, 13. Okay, there the 34. Okay, then again I will change it, the function 2 2 2 5 5 6 6. Okay, yeah, answer will be here. Then take negative variable negative 34, then plus it. Okay, then create a double negative variable, hash number will be negative, second number will be, then answer will be negative. Okay, program will. Okay, thanks for watching, please like and subscribe it. Okay, here you can use the same code in PyCharm ID. Okay, thank you, please like and subscribe. Okay, thank you. Please do not use Chinese app, my request. Okay, thanks, bye bye.